Hi, welcome back to a new video. Mini today. So it's the London to Brighton tomorrow, and this Wally here thinks it'd be a good idea today to replace my headlining, as you would have previously seen that at the moment it is not very good. So make it look good for tomorrow, I guess. Well, let's see. But I've watched a couple of videos, so I kind of know what I'm doing, but I haven't seen any with a sunroof. So fingers crossed it goes well, or tomorrow we've got no headlining. Let's do this. So with it being London to Brighton tomorrow, put in the comments below, do you think I'm going to have this headlining, the new headlining, or no headlining? I mean, I'm hoping that I'll get it sorted. First things first, sun visors. Well, that's one part done, so it's going okay so far. So once you've removed the two blanks holding on the other end of the sun visor, it's just two Phillips screws. Remove that and disconnect it. A little bit better than I've just done. We hope it works again. Easy. Couple of clips undone. Okay, so that was just a bit of trial and error, to be honest. Unplug that onto the other side. So that's all the front done. Now moving to the middle for the light. So to get light out, what you have to do is you have to remove this bit and then remove the whole section. Disconnect and then put this somewhere safe. I'm just putting mine all kind of below where it's coming out of, so then it's just below where it should be. So the next bit, if I turn you around, we're now onto the back. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the surround for the rear sunroof, grab handles. That can stay on, I think, because I've got one on the new headlining, and then it should be a case of just taking her straight out the back. Let's see. Okay, rear sunroof surround. Easy. Rear grab handles. So it's the same both sides. Use a little, I've got a really small flathead screwdriver. Undo the two caps on the ends, and then underneath that is just a Phillips screw in each side. Okay, so I think now what we're down to is just all of the pillar covers. So here's actually.
easier said than done, I think. As I'm not using this one again, it's really not going to matter if I break it, but obviously I don't want to break the new one on the way in. So, a bit of trial and error, but using trimming tool, I've got the camber in. Okay, I'm small. I've got the A pillar off over there. Oh, just by using the trimming tool. So I'm guessing you'd do the same this side. Okay, onto the middle section that you got to remove. I've had to use a trim tool to get this out of it, and as you can see down there, there's a couple of yellow clips that come out, and then there's a Phillips there that I'm going to have to undo, which will release this one down, and then this will come. Honestly, doing this job, this is your best friend. Gets the panel off, and then you can remove the clips to then put them back in place, so that once you're done, give it a pop, and then they're all pop back on. So I'm going to take that off both sides. Okay, kind of got the rears off. In there's a couple of these that go through those two clips. I may have broken one on one side, but I have got some replacements of these to put up, which are black, to go with the headlining. Not that that's going to go up to down, I'm literally changing the headlining so it looks a bit fresher. I'm worried about changing all the colour coded sections on a later date, because if not, I've got to take the seat belts out today and the mini runs tomorrow. So yeah, so as you see, it's all loose. Just got to go round and work out what's holding it up still, and then it should slide out the back. Okay, so here's where we're at. She's hanging down nicely. You can see how I've mashed it up a bit there. There was this, let's try and get some decent light, it's so sunny today. There was this little fastening, if you see under there, it was just, focus, up here at the front of this, holding it all up. But now that that's out, it's dropped down all at the front, all at the middle. Just take it from underneath the rubbers on the sides, and we should be sliding her straight out the back now. So we're in prime position to hopefully see. That's the back of the old girl. Changing the headliner, and she's out. So now to put a new one in, put it all back together, and then clean it all. Whoa, should have done this before now, but oh well. Wife and kids, life gets in the way. Get it done when you can. Doesn't matter, does it? As long as it gets done. Yes, I really did just put it in the wrong way up. So I don't normally get an audience when I'm doing these sort of things, but the wife and the girls are in the garden with the dog, and the dog, well, loves a mini, it looks like. So I've clipped in the rear, now I'm going to clip in the front, hopefully I'll hold it up so I can work around putting everything else back on. So what I was saying is, so fit here, grab handles, the back panel, the air distributor, the light, this side, and I was just saying how I've broken a couple of clips behind these panels as I was doing it. But you know, it's tricky. I'm no mini expert. I'm just learning as I go along. And it's so hot in here today. She looks so much better, so good, nice. So just the front today. So at the moment she's just like, so fit them, fit all that in the middle again, connect everything up. I've connected this, make sure it's all, there you go, working. Yeah, so just the front today. Again, I'm not going to show you because it's just reverse of taking it out, and I don't want to bore you. I'm going to get on with it. So we're done. Didn't take as long as I thought it might. But I did break something. So so now you can see all in, all nice, all sunroof surround. Oh, what's that you see? A black sun visor, white sun visor, white sun visor. I broke these two clips here because for some reason this seems to be a bit bent, and when I tried to bend it into place it just, well, snapped. But I've got a pair of black ones, but I'm not sure. I kind of like, well, I don't know, say in the comments below, what do you reckon? Should I stay with the white, or should I go with the black that you can't see? Obviously I've changed these bits to black as well. But yeah, so she's in, clock works when on, sunroof works, and in my opinion, it looks so good. But yeah, I hope you like this. I'm pleased I've got it done ready for tomorrow. I've just got to clean it now. I've got to clean the inside, got to clean the outside, and get it good to go. Still running on 15-inch alloys at the moment, but I have got a set of 17s, but you'll see them soon when I put them on. But until then, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, because you want to be seeing these vlogs every time they come up. And I will see you in the next one, which is going to be a good one. So, cheers, bye.